My name is Will Morgan. I'm a JMP Development intern working on the Data Connectors team here at JMP, and I helped create the S3 Data Connector. The S3 Data Connector is a data connector within JMP that is used to connect to Amazon S3 data sources, which is similar to OneDrive or Google Drive, but stored within Amazon Web Services, AWS, so it'll provide users with the ability to import their data from Amazon into JMP. So then to use the data connector, you can simply go to File, Connect to, Data Connectors. So then once you're in the data connector window here, you can simply go to Select Data Connector and then hit New Connection. And then after that loads, you'll see a new option here, AWS S3 DC.AWS S3. This is the actual data connector that comes with the add-in. So then from there you can hit New. And so this is going to be the screen that you're going to see whenever you go to connect to the data connector. You've got a bunch of different options here. You've got access key, secret key, session token. These are what you're going to use to log into AWS. If you're not using the access key, secret key, or session token, you can also pass in a profile if you've configured your login through your AWS single sign-on shell. And as you can see, I've configured that here with a profile name called WITMOR. So then if we can hit test here, that's going to go through, find the credentials on the system, and then use that to connect and authenticate, and then test that connection so we can see it works here. Then you can save this, give it any name you want. I'll do S3-demo. And then from there we can hit connect. And then that's going to automatically connect you to the data connector here. And then these are the buckets that are associated with my S3 connection. So we use something called JMP Snake Bucket here for testing. And then as you can see, these are the files listed. We've got a demo folder here that I can walk you through. You can simply go ahead and open up that table. And that's actually downloading that authors.jmp file from Amazon and then opening it within JMP. And you can also use Query Builder with this like you would any other ODBC data connector connection. So you can do authors and books, and then say we wanted to do a join, we could build that query, go ahead and add all the columns. And then as you can see, this query preview here is going to add all of the columns from authors and then all the columns from books as well into that, and doing that left join. And then when you run that query, it'll open up a new table with the SQL that was run to generate it. This is going to be a really powerful tool. If you use Amazon Web Services a lot for work, you'll be able to query your data pretty easily without having to download it. And hopefully that this can simplify your workflow.